In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write with AI in Google Workspace. Let's start in Google Docs. Open Google Docs and create a new blank document. On a fresh page, you should see the Help Me Write button with a small sparkle icon. Depending on your layout, it might appear directly on the page or up in the toolbar. Go ahead and click it to open the prompt box. Now tell the AI exactly what you want it to create. Clear prompts work best. For example, you might say, write a professional email for a client, create a social media caption for skincare products, or write a blog introduction about virtual assistants. Add helpful details like the audience, the tone you want, and any key points to include. The more context you give, the more accurate and useful the draft will be. When you're ready, click Create or press Enter. Google's AI will generate text based on your prompt. Give it a moment to process, then review what appears. Think of this as a first draft designed to save you time and get you moving. From here, refine the text to match your needs. You can ask the AI to shorten the content if it's too long, make it formal for a professional tone, or make it friendly for a more casual voice. You can also have it rewrite a section, expand details to add depth, or fix grammar to clean things up. Don't be shy about iterating. Small tweaks to your prompt, such as specifying length or adding a key point, can lead to noticeably better results. Always read through the draft to ensure it's accurate, relevant, and aligned with your style. Now let's switch to Gmail. Open Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. Inside the email window, look for the Help Me Write icon, often shown as a sparkle or pencil. Click it to open the same kind of prompt field you used in Docs. Type in a short description of the email you need. You might say, write a follow-up email to a client or create a polite meeting request. Include the purpose, the tone you prefer, and any must-have details like dates or next steps. The AI will draft the email automatically. Review it, adjust wording to sound like you, and confirm that the details are correct before sending. And that's it. Use Help Me Write in Google Docs to jumpstart documents and in Gmail to draft clear, polished emails faster. With practice, your prompts will get sharper and your writing workflow will feel smoother and more efficient.